Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to have multiple accounts on Snapchat. First of all you have to do is open your Snapchat on your phone. Once the Snapchat is opened, all you have to do is click on your profile icon on the top left corner. From here you have to go to the settings on the top right corner. You have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you have to log out from your account. Click on logout, then Snapchat will log out from your phone. From here all you have to do is click on this switch account button on the bottom right corner. From here you have to enter the username or email address and password of your new account or the multiple account that you want to use on your same device. Once you've signed in into your account, so for example I have signed in into multiple accounts, you will be able to see your multiple or other accounts by swiping it left. Here's my first account. Here's my second account, here's my third account. So I am using currently 4 accounts at the same time on a single Snapchat application. So whenever I want to switch to another account, all you have to do is click that account and you don't have to enter your password and you will be signed in immediately. So that's how you can have multiple accounts on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.